We are doing a second video on the purchase journal today, and we are looking at mega trading, which is a business which buys goods from various suppliers, and it is allowed a trade discount from some of the suppliers. So the first transaction we have here is that of for October. Received an invoice. The invoice number is P203 from Red Star for goods worth 900 less 20% trade discount. So the business is offered a trade discount. I want to illustrate how this is recorded in the purchases journal. Right, this is our purchase journal. So we start with the year 2018, month is October. Let's just say October 4, that's the date. So what is important here is to indicate the name of the supplier. Invoice number P203 and the amount, which is if you go back to our question here, right, received an invoice, right, for goods worth 9 less, so which means the original price of the goods is this one, but there was a deduction that was made of 20%, so that the invoice becomes net of trade discount. So 900, that's the original value here, and then immediately here we say less trade discount 20%, right? So less 20% trade discount. If you calculate 20% of this, it should give you 180. So 180 is the trade discount that was deducted on the invoice to give us a net value of 720. So this is the amount that the customer owes the business. So which means mega trading is owing Red Star 720. Okay, let's go back to the question and check what is there again. Right, next transaction says purchase the goods with a list price. List price, like we say, can be shelf price, catalog price. That's the original or price or the market price on the item of 1,600, and then mega trading was offered a trade discount of 10% by Chitate Trading, invoice number 2018. So we come here, this is October 30. Okay, so the business that is selling to mega trading is known as Chitate Trading, right? The original price of the goods is 1,600, but there was a deduction that was done on this invoice of 10%. So the deduction of 10% is 160. Okay, so by calculator, this gives us 1,440. 1,440. All right, so after started trading, we go back to the next transaction. Okay, it says made cash purchases. Like we said previously, cash purchases are not part of this journal. they are recorded directly into the cash book. Here we record only credit purchases, those goods that we bought on credit. We are listing the suppliers where goods were bought on credit. So we move on to 27. Bought goods on credit 200 from L Smart invoice number D911. So here, this transaction does not give us any information about trade discount. So we record it the way it is because L Smart was not did not allow a trade discount to mega trading. So we owe a full amount of, so this is 27. So it goes directly to the last column, the full amount of 200. So once we get here, we indicate that these are amounts that are being netted. So straight away we show our totals. This is happening on 31 October. That's the last date of October, right? So the total is transferred to the purchase account. That's where the total goes. It is transferred to the purchase account. So right, let's record the invoice for Igcse here, 2018, and the invoice for Smart, which was D911. So our invoices are there, right? So the only column that we add is the last column here, right? This is the column that we add. If we add it correctly, it should give us 2360. Right, so this is the amount that we transfer to the purchase account. And remember, the purchase account is found in the nominal ledger. That's where it is found. So we go to the purchase account here. This is our purchase account on the debit side. Okay, so on the debit side here, 2018 October 31. All right, October 31, what happened? These are total purchases for October. So these are the total purchases for October. How many are they? 2360. So these were the total purchases for October, right? We have posted them from the purchase journal. Remember, we are looking at a business which is buying from other suppliers, but this business is receiving what is known as a trade discount. So it will maintain a two column purchase journal like that. The first column is used to deduct the trade discount, and the second column shows the net amount owing to the various suppliers. So this is the total amount that the business owes at the end of the month. So once you have done this, you are done. Thank you very much. Look at our other videos that we have done on the sales journal, the sales returns journal, and so on. I hope you are enjoying these videos. They are helping you to go through your studies. Thank you very much.